Italy is renowned for its rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant culture. Here's an overview of the 10 most famous tours that are considered indispensable for any visitor looking to fully experience the essence of Italy. Each tour offers a unique glimpse into the country's diverse offerings, from ancient ruins and Renaissance art to stunning coastlines and culinary delights. Rome, the capital of Italy, is a treasure trove of historical and cultural landmarks. The essential tour of Rome includes the Colosseum and Roman Forum. Explore the iconic Colosseum, an ancient amphitheater that hosted gladiatorial games, and the Roman Forum, the heart of ancient Rome's political and social life. Vatican City. Visit St. Peter's Basilica, the Vatican Museums, and the Sistine Chapel to marvel at Michelangelo's masterpiece on the chapel's ceiling. Pantheon and Piazza Navona. Discover the Pantheon, an ancient Roman temple, in the lively Piazza Navona, with its stunning fountains and Baroque architecture. Trevi Fountain and Spanish Steps. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain for good luck and climb the famous Spanish Steps for a panoramic view of the city. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, offers a wealth of artistic and architectural marvels. The Uffizi Gallery, home to an unparalleled collection of Renaissance art, including works by Botticelli, Leonardo da Vinci, and Michelangelo. The Duomo and Baptistery. Admire the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore with its iconic dome designed by Brunelleschi, and the nearby Baptistery with Ghiberti's Gates of Paradise. Ponte Vecchio and Palazzo Vecchio. Walk across the historic Ponte Vecchio Bridge and visit the Palazzo Vecchio, Florence's town hall. Accademia Gallery. See Michelangelo's David, one of the most famous sculptures in the world. Venice, with its unique canals and romantic ambiance, is a must-visit. St. Mark's Basilica and Doge's Palace. Explore the opulent St. Mark's Basilica and the Doge's Palace, both located in the iconic St. Mark's Square. Grand Canal Tour. Take a gondola ride along the Grand Canal, passing by beautiful palaces and historic buildings. Rialto Bridge. Walk across the famous Rialto Bridge, one of Venice's most recognizable landmarks. Murano and Burano. Visit the nearby islands of Murano, known for its glassmaking, and Burano, famous for its colorful houses and lace making. The Amalfi Coast is celebrated for its stunning scenery and picturesque towns. Positano. Wander through the charming streets of Positano, with its pastel-colored houses cascading down to the sea. Amalfi. Visit the historic town of Amalfi and its impressive cathedral. Ravello. Enjoy the breathtaking views from the gardens of Villa Ruffalo and Villa Cimbrone in Ravello. Capri. Take a boat trip to the island of Capri, known for its rugged landscape and the famous Blue Grotto. Tuscany offers a blend of rolling hills, vineyards, and historic towns. Chianti Wine Region. Tour the vineyards and wineries of the Chianti region, sampling some of Italy's finest wines. San Gimignano. Explore the medieval town of San Gimignano, known for its well-preserved towers. Siena. Visit the historic city of Siena with its stunning cathedral and the famous Piazza del Campo. Pisa. See the iconic Leaning Tower of Pisa and the surrounding Piazza dei Miracoli. The Cinque Terre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, consists of 5 charming fishing villages along the Ligurian coast. Monterosso al Mare, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore. Explore these picturesque villages, each with its unique character and scenic beauty. Hiking trails. Hike the trails that connect the villages, offering stunning views of the coastline. Boat tours. Take a boat tour to appreciate the villages from the sea. Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean, is rich in history and culture. Palermo. Discover the vibrant capital of Sicily, with its mix of Arab, Norman, and Baroque architecture. Valley of the Temples. Visit the archaeological site in Agrigento, home to some of the best preserved ancient Greek temples. Mount Etna. Explore Mount Etna, Europe's highest and most active volcano. Taormina. Wander through the beautiful town of Taormina with its ancient theater and stunning views of the Ionian Sea. Milan, Italy's fashion and design capital, offers a blend of modernity and history. The Duomo. Visit the stunning Gothic cathedral, one of the largest in the world. The Last Supper. See Leonardo da Vinci's iconic mural housed in the convent of Santa Maria delle Grazie. Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. Shop in one of the world's oldest shopping malls, known for its elegant architecture. La Scala Opera House. Take a tour of the renowned Opera House and its museum. Pompeii and Herculaneum. buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, offer a glimpse into ancient Roman life. Pompeii. Walk through the well-preserved ruins of Pompeii, including the Forum, amphitheater, and houses. Herculaneum. Explore the smaller but better preserved ruins of Herculaneum, with its lavish villas and frescoes. Mount Vesuvius. Hike to the crater of the still-active volcano for a panoramic view of the Bay of Naples. Lake Como, known for its stunning scenery and luxurious villas, is a popular destination for relaxation and recreation. Bellagio. Visit the charming town of Bellagio, known as the Pearl of Lake Como. Villa Carlotta and Villa del Balbianello. Tour these historic villas and their beautiful gardens. Boat tours. Enjoy a boat tour of the lake, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and villages. Varenna. Explore the picturesque village of Varenna, with its narrow streets and lakeside promenade. These tours provide an unforgettable experience of Italy's rich history, cultural heritage, and natural beauty, ensuring that visitors leave with a deep appreciation for all that the country has to offer.